Hello friends, today I want to fix this robot and see what's inside. Let's take something that can be glued and then try to run it. It all started to look like this. I collected quite a long time ago, 5 years ago. Will I be able to put everything back in its place? In this place you will have to solder. It's already gotten a little better. Now it remains to attach the phototransistor matrix. You'll need my reliable assistance. This is hot glue. We need to perform the first test. Let's try to connect this device. To check its offline operation, I put an infrared emitter in the fuselage of this plane. The human eye does not see this, but the video camera does. Let's finally check it out. A little bit about this device. The device is based on a matrix of 4 phototransistors. 2 phototransistors are positioned in the horizontal plane and 2 in the vertical plane. Something like spherical coordinate. Phototransistors are most sensitive to infrared radiation. The infrared emitter is located here. It remaining to correctly program the reading of the phototransistor data. Unfortunately, I didn't save the program code, but you can use the program code of one of my projects. The link will be in the description of this video. That's all for now. See you soon and see you on new projects. Write comments and subscribe to my channel. Sincerely, Yuri Kovalin.